everybody, welcome to my channel. If you are new here, welcome. If you have already subscribed, welcome back. In this video guys, I'm going to show you guys and take you guys behind the scene again to show you guys how I package and ship my organic seasoning to my customers. If you're interested and want to see this video, please keep on watching.
Cooking made easy.
Packaging and shipping video.
Before we start, if you are new here, my name is Claude Mott and I am the owner and founder of Le Bongo Seasoning. Le Bongo Seasoning is an e-commerce website where I started when I was in college, where we sell organic green seasoning, organic meat seasoning, organic barbecue marinade, organic jerk marinade, organic hot pepper sauce, and so much more. As we are approaching the holidays, a lot of us are gonna be cooking, we are gonna have a lot of parties, a lot of gathering. So if you wanna try my product, I'll make sure to have the link in the description below. And guys, November 1st, I'm also having a sale where we are gonna have 25% off of all orders. I usually have this sale every year. This is a way of me giving back to my customers and giving them the opportunity to get their seasoning on time before Thanksgiving. So if you want to try my product, the link will be in the description below, and make sure you subscribe to my channel and also make sure you join our email list so that you can get the coupon code when I send it out. Alright guys, I'm not going to take much of your time. We are just going to jump right in so that you can see how I package and ship my orders. And guys, this is another series. I have been posting a lot of small business videos in this channel. I have posted previous videos where I take you guys behind the scene and show you guys how I prepared to relaunch my business. I have also shared a lot. I shared how I redesigned my website, where I find my web designer, and I also shared where I got my logo, how I print my product label, and so much more. If you're interested and want to learn where I get those, please make sure go ahead to watch my previous video. And in this video guys, if you have any question, any suggestion, or anything at all, please make sure you have them in the comment section below. Alright, this video is just going to be me working in the background. Enjoy the music and enjoy the video. Okay guys, that's it for this video. Thank you so much for staying with me until the end. I didn't talk much in this video. I tried to record this video before my baby got up from his nap, but he woke up before I was able to record the video. But I'm grateful that I was able to record this video for you guys. Thank you so much for watching. Thank you so much for staying until the end. And as always guys, I'll see you next time. Bye now.
Cooking made easy.